Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get started with PayPal, ensuring a smooth setup for your financial transactions. To begin, simply navigate to the PayPal website or download their mobile application. You will then select Sign Up and follow the clear prompts to enter your personal details, creating a secure account in just a few minutes. This initial step lays the groundwork for all your future online financial activities, making digital transactions straightforward and accessible. Once your account is established, the next crucial step is linking your financial sources. This enables you to send and receive money seamlessly. You can easily connect your bank account by providing your bank's routing and account numbers, then confirming small deposits. Additionally, linking a debit or credit card provides another convenient payment method, allowing for flexible spending options and quick transactions. These steps ensure your account is fully functional and ready for use. With your PayPal account set up and linked, you are now ready to send and receive money effortlessly. To send funds, simply enter the recipient's email address or phone number, specify the amount, and confirm the payment. Receiving money is just as easy. Share your PayPal email, and funds will appear directly in your balance. This versatile platform simplifies splitting bills, paying for online purchases, or getting paid for services, all with great convenience. Protecting your PayPal account is paramount for safe online transactions. Always enable two-factor authentication, which requires a second verification step, like a code from your phone, every time you log in. Regularly update your password, choosing a complex combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Additionally, stay vigilant against phishing attempts. PayPal will never ask for your password via email. By following these simple security measures, you can maintain peace of mind while managing your finances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.